we gather here to emphasize the significance of tree plantation. In our daily life of our planet, tree plantation is very necessary because trees provide oxygen, the environment, and make the air quality better. More trees are planted, then the world's environment will become a safer place to live. Tree plantation is also reduced pollution, thus making the life of future generations secure. In this way, we are facing pollution everywhere. And by the increasing of motor vehicles, which emit dangerous gases, the environment which cause practically better. So, we have planned to trees as many as possible to improve our environment. Namaskar. কানে বলো ভালো শুনি দেখেই লাগলো কারুটি গলা খেয়ে মন গোয়ালে কেবিল করা হয়নি বলেন মাথায় আর সকলে ভয় ভয় মিটিয়ে মিটিয়ে চায় তার কপালে কি যে আছে বলা নাই যায় নমস্কার।